Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason some Instagram camera filters on your specific phone are actually missing. Now, there's a couple ways to fix this. There's not just one way to completely fix this problem, but there's a couple ways. Now, the very first thing I would recommend doing is to actually completely going through and actually disabling and deleting that specific application from the background. Go ahead and delete the other ones too if you want to. So you just want to exit out of the application like this and delete it from your multitasking panel. Now, you want to go back into the application and you want to make your way back into the camera filters like this, and you actually want to see if it fixed the issue. I want to say sometimes and most of the time this will actually end up fixing it. If it does fix it, then great. If it doesn't fix it, the next thing I would recommend doing is going through and seeing if the filter that you're specifically looking for is here. If it's not, you can go all the way to the end and you can go ahead and click this little button here, and you can actually search through the specific filters that you actually want. So maybe the filter doesn't show up there, but you can search for the filter here, and it's another awesome way to actually just build, and it's another awesome way to search for the filters. Now, if this filter is also missing, you may actually be on an outdated version of the Instagram application. So what I would recommend doing is going into your actual app store. So go into the app store of your specific device like this, and you want to search for Instagram. So click search right here, click here, and you just want to type in Instagram just like this. An iPhone autocorrect is so bad, but you want to type in Instagram like this, and you want to see if there's an update available. If there is, you want to go ahead and update your specific application, and then I will tell you most of the time this will probably end up fixing the issue. There's really not much more you have to do beyond this because most of the Instagram filters are based on the actual app itself. So as long as you can update the application, you should be good to go. So now we can make our way back into the application, and you should see that those filters are at the bottom. If they're not there, you want to make sure that you're on the story portion of your specific filters. If you're on live, if you're on reels, if you're on a post, there's going to be different filters that come up per different thing. So you want to make sure you're under story, and you want to make sure that you're under the specific option you want to go. So if you go under create, you can use these types of filters. You want to click here. You want to make sure you're under the same one that you usually use. So I think multi-capture is the one that normally comes up. I don't really remember. But even with these, you should be able to see these filters at the bottom. If they still don't show up, I would recommend just keep exiting out of your application and keep going back into it. And I will tell you, as long as your app is up to date, you should be good to go for the most part. So that's pretty much how to fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.